Hey guys, if you're looking for an affordable and reliable phone service, my Consumer Cellular review will help you understand why it's a popular choice, especially for seniors and budget-conscious users. In this video, we'll cover everything from pricing and coverage to customer support, so you can decide if Consumer Cellular is the right fit for you. Let's jump straight into the video. And also, if you find this video useful, please consider to like it and subscribe. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at their plans. So, Consumer Cellular offers some of the most budget-friendly plans on the market. Their basic plans start at just $20 per month, which gives you unlimited talk and text plus 1 gigabyte of data. If you need more data, they have plans up to $50 per month with unlimited data. Plus, there are no hidden fees or coverage charges. You only pay for what you use. And one standout feature is their pricing partnership with AARP. So if you're a AARP member, you also get a 5% discount on your monthly bill. They also provide longer return windows and discounts on accessories, making Consumer Cellular a favorite among the older adults. Also, there are no contracts or hidden fees too, so you won't be locked into a long-term contract. Their plans are month to month, so you can cancel anytime without penalty. And also, there are no activation fees and no surprise charges on your bill, which gives you that peace of mind. And now, customer service is another area where Consumer Cellular shines. Their support team is based in the United States and has a reputation for being patient and helpful, especially for the elderly who might not be as tech savvy. This personalized support is a big plus if you want someone to walk you through setup or troubleshooting. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the coverage and network. So Consumer Cellular uses both AT&T and T-Mobile networks, so you'll get a reliable nationwide coverage, as you can see on this map here. This is especially true in cities and suburban areas, though rural coverage can vary depending where you are. So if you're in a major metro area, you're likely to have a solid service. Now, whether you prefer to have a simple flip phone or a smartphone, Consumer Cellular has options for you. They offer easy-to-use phones that are ideal for seniors or anyone who wants a straightforward mobile experience with all the extras. Now, some things to consider. So, Consumer Cellular may not be the best fit if you're a heavy data user who streams a lot, since data speeds can slow after you reach a certain limit on the unlimited plan. Also, if you want fancy perks like international roaming or device insurance, you might want to look elsewhere. And another small hiccup is that if you want to bring your own phone, the activation process might require a call to customer service instead of being fully online. Now, many users praise Consumer Cellular for consistent, affordable service and helpful support. Some have mentioned slight price increases over time or slower speeds during busy periods, which is expected. So, especially outside of big cities, overall the feedback is very positive. So basically, Consumer Cellular is a solid choice if you want a simple, affordable phone service without contracts or complicated features. It's especially good for seniors and light data users who value good customer support and flexible plans. So if you're interested in a no-fuss, budget-friendly carrier, Consumer Cellular definitely deserves a closer look.